Okay guys, so this following video is just a follow-up on market structure. So this is how you identify when you need to get in on the trade. So the first example is going to be from when a trend transitions from a downtrend and then transitions into an uptrend. How do we know when to get in, etc, etc. So firstly, let's just draw the trend. So the trend is down, it's doing this. So it's making lower lows. Right, lower lows. Here it's making lower highs. So this is easy, right? Market's making lower lows, lower highs, and then you get this. What is that now called? That's called a higher high. Okay, so that is now broken structure, but we need to wait for the pullback. Remember, if we were to take out our fibs, this would be A to B, right? So that's our A to B leg. So all we're waiting for is the pullback. Then we get in on a buy and ride it up. So market structure has been broken. Let me get a trend line quickly. Market structure has been broken over here. Can you see? We had a lower high and we had the higher high. This is a confirmed break of structure followed by a what? By a higher low. So after the higher high happens, that's a break of structure. We then wait for the confirmed break of structure when the higher low forms. So we would take out our fibs. We would then see A, B, C pattern of 38.2. We look for a candlestick pattern that signifies the reversal, get in on the buy, and it's that simple. Right? So the exact same applies for when the market transitions from an uptrend. Oopsie daisy, what's going on here? Crash. So from an uptrend to a downtrend. Exact same thing. So we then add this. Followed by this move. Confirmed by this one. We would get in and write it down. So what did we have here? We had higher highs, higher high, higher high. We had here, we had higher lows, right? Higher low. And then if we had our trend line up, we would have been able to pick up that the market then made a lower low. Once the lower low was made, the break of structure was confirmed by the lower high. Okay, and that's where we would have measured our fibs from A to B with the 8.2 retrace down, and that's where we get in. So our breakup structure happened where? On both of these. Let me highlight it over here. That's your breakup structure. Same with this one. That's your break. So you first wait for the lower low to form, or for the high high, the retrace down, which would be our fib C, BRZ level, which would be either higher low if you want a downtrend transitioning to an uptrend, or a low high if you're in an uptrend transitioning to a downtrend. Guys, that is market structure in its simplest form. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.